Without this scene, you will not be able to build a true sales funnel. In today's video, I will tell you about one very important scene without which you will not be able to build a really cool sales funnel. A funnel that will bring you more money than you will spend on traffic and other supporting scenes. Also, if you want to be successful and beat your competition, you simply must have this scene. Well, did I intrigue you? Then be sure to watch this video to the end to find out everything. Hi, my name is Dmytro. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. What is this magical scene? This is the value ladder. Why is it so important to have a value ladder? Because with their help you will be able to provide maximum benefits to your customers and get the maximum profit from them. In addition, with the help of the value ladder you can find your ideal customers to whom you will sell your most expensive product and serve them at the highest level. Russell Brunson says that if someone does not have an actual value ladder, they don't really have a business, they are just selling a product or service. If you want to be successful and beat your competition, you need to have a value ladder. What is the value ladder? Value ladder is products or services at different price points that you use to help your customers achieve a specific outcome. The cheaper the product, the less effort, personal time, resources and personal work you put into it. Conversely, the more effort, time and personal work you put into a product, the more expensive it will be. For example, you help people lose weight. You could write a book on this topic, spend some time, effort and some resources on it, and then sell it to many people and those help them with their problem. The book will be relatively inexpensive because you wrote it once and no longer spend your time, effort and other resources on it. In addition, there is a small probability that your client will get the desired result just by reading your book. On the other hand, you can personally help a specific person lose weight. This person will receive many times more benefit and help from you and will more likely get the desired result. But you will also spend a lot of your time, effort and other resources on this help. Therefore, such a product, such a service will cost many times more than a book. When you have products or services at different price points, you can help more people with different financial capabilities. Someone will buy your book, someone will be able to afford your video course or consultation, and someone will pay for personal work with you until the result. All these people will be able to get some benefit from you and you will receive money from all these people. This is why you need to have a value ladder, to help more people and make more money. But the good news does not end there. After all, the value ladder has another very beneficial advantage. But before I tell you about it, I will give a small example. Let's say you have a very expensive product or service that delivers the most value. And even though this product or service will be really cool, it will be very difficult for you to sell it to a stranger. After all, he doesn't know you well and does not trust you enough. But if you sell this person something cheap but very valuable first, and then something more expensive but no less valuable, and every time this person will get some benefit from you, then he is more likely to want to buy your very expensive product or service. The fact is that people have such a feature, to look for more value in the place where they have already received it. If a person buys our book and benefits from it, they are more likely to buy our more expensive product. So when you have a value ladder and you can provide more value at each step of that ladder with each more expensive product or service, then people will spend more money to continue working with you. They will pay more money to move up a new level and get more benefit from you. That is, with the help of value ladders, you will be able to turn ordinary customers into VIP customers who will buy your most expensive products or services. And that is the main features of the value ladder. If you have the value ladder, then you can create a really cool funnel. After all, in this funnel you will be able to move your potential customers from your free products or services to the most expensive ones. At the same time, bring them more and more benefit and earn more and more money. Such a funnel will bring you much more money than you will spend on traffic and other supporting things. Therefore, you will be able to invest much more money in traffic than your competitors and attract many more customers to your business than your competitors. That's why you can beat your competitors and build a truly successful business with the help of the value ladder. That's all I have for you today. I hope this information was useful for you. I am waiting for your like and comments as a sign of gratitude. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I wish you a good day and good mood. Bye bye.